Hi, I'm Barry Mattis. I am here at the Berkel Schmoll booth at Apex 2016. Joining me now is Thomas Kunz. He is the president of Schmoll. Thomas, welcome.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning to you, sir. Thanks for being here. For our viewers, why don't you just first talk a little bit about Schmoll and what you guys do?
Well, I think the name is well known, so for drilling and routing equipment worldwide. Lately, in the last 3-4 years, we added on laser equipment for either drilling and routing in various solutions. And yesterday, we started our campaign with the MDI machine for exposure of either inner outer layer or solder mask.
Great. So the MDI, why don't we just talk about that? Well, tell me a little bit about the technology behind the MDI. So that's a direct imaging system.
That's a direct imaging system. Just to go to the history, as many people know, we are owner of the Bacher factory, which produces the conventional exposure system. And finally, when this technology was going out of business, we decided to go for the DI business, but we decided to do this in the Schmoll factory because obviously the machine looks much more like a drilling machine than original exposure machine. So that's how we went into this business, and we developed over the past 5 years a very nice and unique system in a way that footprint is very small. We call it slim platform, and this connects with a LED DMD driven system, which seems to be the best alternative for both inner layer and solder mask.
Nice, and this is a new line that you're introducing here at the show?
We are introducing it new here for the US market. Of course, we are having installation in Europe since 2-3 years. So we have about 20 systems in the field.
Oh,
and
nice.
Now we would like to present this to the American market.
So you have some good track record with this equipment, and you know it's good for the marketplace here.
Yes.
Great. So speaking of America, with the Berkel Schmoll relationship, how does that work?
Also, a short look at the history. 12 years ago, we decided to have somehow a manufacturing-driven representativeship here, and we went together with Berkel because we are close to them also in Germany. And so we decided not having a rep or agent, but having a company which combines 2 or 3 equipment manufacturers, because they understand how we have to service our equipment, because support in this market, especially US, that is geographically so big, is an important issue.
Right, and I know Berkel sells from direct imaging, registration, lamination, tooling. They have a broad offering of technology, and it seems like you fit well into their expertise.
Well, if you look all over the mechanical process, you find a lot of things within this group. The offering can be very wide, and so we can support us in terms of offering to the customer. Also, the service guys, I think they can do several kind of equipment. If they come to a customer, they not only are able to service one equipment, they can also look at the other ones.
Oh, nice. Now you mentioned laser drill early on. How's the laser drill market? Is there a lot of interest in moving in that direction?
Well, you can see 3 different parts of the laser market. One is the market in Asia, where you talk about copper direct drilling for the mobile boards, but all over the place in Europe and America, you find more these combo systems with CO2 and UV in order to be able to make holes into substrates which have thicker copper plates. And after we developed a pico laser, which is mainly for cutting of very fine structures, we started 2 years ago to develop this combination machine, and we have sold since the last 6 months about 10 units, which is quite a lot, more than we expected, to be honest. So it So you can see there's the demand in the market, and we would like to fill this with our expertise.
Well, I mean, when you say more than expected, what was the drive behind the surge in sales?
I believe that besides we have a good product, there is a need in the market for not only a well-engineered machine, but also for very good service, which is especially important in laser equipment. Because as you know, lasers don't last forever. And when the service side is not covered well, then you get into problems sooner or later. And I think customers have found this combination with us, and for this reason we had some success in selling equipment.
Great. Well, congratulations on that for sure.
Thank you.
That's a great success. Is there anything that we haven't talked about that we should share with our viewers?
Well, I think an important message to the market is our company is PCB. We don't go out to anything else. We concentrate on PCB worldwide for drilling, routing, laser, and DI. That's our destiny. The base is in Germany. We manufacture all products in Germany. We don't want to go to abroad, just to be able to keep the quality and engineering done in a proper way. So for this reason, we not only concentrate to the Asian market, we also concentrate to Europe, North and South America, and all the other markets. So we feel ourselves as an international company based in Germany. And what we can see in the market is, after the last 10-15 years, there was a strong trend towards Asia. We see a rebound in Europe, we see a rebound in North America. Of course, not comparable to the other part of the world, but you can see that the markets are getting closer a little bit more nowadays, which we think is good. It gives us more opportunity worldwide, and so that's how our company is structured for.
Great. Well, congratulations, and again, thank you for joining us today.
Okay, thank you.
Once again, this is Barry Mattis. I'm here with Thomas Kunz at the Schmoll booth at Apex 2016. Thanks for watching.